Hello, Python Web Conference. We are just a few days away from the beginning of the conference, and I am joined today by my AWS Hero alum, now working at AWS, great friend Gunnar, and I'm super excited for you to be joining us for the Python Web Conference. Can you give folks a little intro to yourself?
So as you mentioned, I'm a Hero alumni. I was part of the AWS Hero group earlier, but now I work for AWS as a developer advocate. I'm based in Sweden, where I work a lot with trying to inspire and work with builders, developers of all sorts.
So you're going to be joining us for Python Web Conference as a speaker. Can you give folks a teaser for what they're hoping to hear from you during the conference?
I'm going to talk about what's next after CI and CD. It's something that we're using at AWS and at Amazon, something that we're calling continuous configuration. And continuous configuration, it really is about using configuration in a continuous manner, because everything we build, everything we develop and deploy, it contains different parts of configuration.
Now, you'll be joining us throughout the week for the conference as well. Are there some items you're looking forward to seeing and doing?
The agenda this year looks awesome. So I'm going to try to tune in just as much as I can. I have the luxury of being in a different time zone, so I can work throughout my day and then tune in for the conference. When it gets a bit later here in Sweden, and watch throughout the evening and night.
Look forward to having you. I'm super excited you're joining us this year for our 4th annual Python Web Conference, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you very much.